Now here finally we have an example that puts it all together. What happens when you have more than one transformation happening to your exponential function? Here it is. We're going to be looking at the parent function f of x equals 3 to the x power, and we're transforming it to g of x equals negative 1/2 times 3 to the x minus 2 power minus 1. So we have a reflection going on in there because there is that negative being multiplied at the beginning. We've got an a being multiplied there at the beginning, the 1/2, which tells us that we have a dilation happening. We've got the -2 up in the exponent, so we know we've got horizontal stuff happening, and we've got that -1 at the end, so we know we've got vertical stuff happening. So let's move through here step by step and see what is going on. Our original parent function is right here, 3 to the x power. First thing we're going to look at is that we have an a of negative 1/2. Because it is a negative, we know that it is a reflection over the x-axis. And because it is a fraction there, it's between 0 and 1, we've got a vertical compression of 1/2. So that negative 1/2 flips it over the x-axis and compresses it vertically by 1/2. Next, we see that we have an h of 2, right? We have that x being subtracted by 2. So we have a graph that is translated h units to the right, right? So we push everything out to the right there. All of these points get pushed over. Next, we see that plus k at the end, we have that -1. So we know that it is going down by 1. So everything gets slid down 1 unit. And now we can state that g of x equals negative 1/2 times 3 to the x minus 2 power minus 1 is the graph of the parent function, compressed vertically, that's the 1/2, reflected across the x-axis, that's the negative, translated 2 units right, that's the -2, and 1 unit down, that's the -1. I would very, very strongly suggest that in your notes you have something similar to this written down, color-coded, or however you want to do it, and make sure that you know what the A stands for, what the X or the H stands for, and what the K stands for. It makes it easier to break apart these functions like this when you know what each piece means.